So with a DUI causing injury, the prosecution doesn't just have to prove there was a DUI, you were drunk driving, and there was somebody injured. They have to actually prove that the cause of the injury was an independent traffic violation, not just the fact that you were drunk driving, but that there was an independent traffic violation. The easiest example is this. If you're DUI driving and you're stopped at a red light and somebody rear-ends you and they get injured, that's not a DUI with injury. I've actually had that case. We won that case. It went from a felony DUI down to a simple misdemeanor. If the cause of the collision was not your fault, then you don't have a DUI causing injury. The penalties are dramatically different because a DUI with injury, whether it's a first time, a second, or third, or fourth, no matter what, with an injury and the injury was caused by your bad driving, you're facing a felony DUI charge. That makes it much more serious, and that's why you need our help with that kind of case. So penalties for a DUI causing injury are substantially higher than penalties for a DUI without injury. For a first-time DUI causing injury, they can be as low as 30 days of jail, and we can usually get that down to a couple weeks with an ankle bracelet on your ankle instead of going to real jail, up to technically 6 years in prison. And that is dependent upon a couple of things. Number one, the level of injury. Number two, the blood alcohol level you had and whether you have any prior convictions. And number three, what's most important, the thing you can change the most is what have you done for yourself after the DUI arrest causing injury? Because if you help show the judge, you show the prosecutor that you've done things to change your life, you've stopped drinking, you've gone to rehab, you've gone to AA, whatever it is, we can use those positive steps to help improve your outcome.